Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to change alarm sound on the iPhone. So first what you want to do is open up your clock. So just search for it and just tap on that. Once you're here, just tap on the alarm that you want to edit. So let's say I want to change the alarm for my 6 a.m. Tap on that. And as you can see, there's a sound option right there, which you can tap on to change it. So you could change from all of this sounds right here. You could go to classic and you could pick from more sounds. And once you're done, you can now just go back and you are good to go. And that's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.